Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to talk about Nova MD. This sample was provided by Nova MD, and I want to thank the brand for that. It's by Dr. Monda. So there are 30 capsules inside the box, and they are essential women's probiotic. They have 350 mg. Also, you can see here all the nutritional facts. This is how the bottle looks. It looks like this. And it has a lot of good benefits. This is how the capsule looks. And it's supposed to be one a day with or without a meal. I tried it. It doesn't have any flavor. You swallow it. You swallow it easy. Thank you for watching my video.